I'm at the Nürburgring to drive this, the Hyundai Veloster N. It's the first model from Hyundai's N Performance division that'll be sold in the United States. Here are 5 things you need to know about this turbocharged hatchback. The Veloster N uses a 2-litre turbocharged engine, which makes 250 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque in the standard model, or 275 horsepower with the optional performance package. The engine comes only with a 6-speed manual transmission and gets the car to 62 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. Driving aids make extracting performance easier. For instance, launch control builds revs as high as 4,700 RPM for quick starts. And there's a rev matching feature to make downshifts with the manual transmission smoother and easier. The base Veloster N uses Michelin Pilot Supersport tires on 18-inch wheels, while the performance package wears wider Pirelli P0s on 19-inch wheels. Adaptive suspension with multiple drive modes uses 5G sensors to help resist roll, pitch and squat in sporty driving. At the front axle, an electronically controlled differential helps quell torque steer and understeer. To help with aerodynamics and cooling, the Veloster N has a new fascia with lots of air ducting, new side skirts, and a big rear wing with an integrated third brake light. The cabin features a new shifter, sportier pedals, blue seatbelts, and special buttons on the steering wheel for selecting the car's driving modes. Those are the 5 main things you need to know about this car. For the full review of the 275 horsepower Hyundai Veloster N, be sure to visit theroadshow.com.